Hello,
Hello,
welcome to GIBS. May I know your name?
my name is Girisha, and it's a pleasure to be at Gibbs.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from New Delhi.
Okay, so what made you to choose GIBS?
I just got a mail. I was very keen into going for MBA and all. So it was one of the best institution that focused on practical learning rather than more on theoretical and exams. So the vision they see is something that I want to do.
I chose Gibbs because of its culture, and I have been looking at many institutes, but Gibbs was the one that stand out for me.
Actually, I've heard about the GIBS, very good college, and it helps in gaining skills and.
To be honest, the structure and the faculty, I really like that. And the process they want to develop a student for MBA courses really attracted me.
To experience the practical knowledge, what is the best in GIPS?
The most best advantage I would say is that the practical knowledge that they give. So basically in other colleges we see that they give practical knowledges in second year, mostly in last months, but here as we have seen they give practical knowledge from first day only.
Firstly, I love the hospitality here. It's so warm and welcoming. So I really love how everybody's interactive and it's just hospitality just works for me.
It provides a good international exposure as well as good industrial exposure, and the placements are nice also. That's why I chose GIBA.
About going through each and every subjects, learning in a deeper depth, and other faculties and co-curricular activities, games and all. I'm very excited to learn.
Actually, the facilities and the college environment made the interest, so I joined GIPS.
So, what are the things that you are most excited about?
I am excited about meeting new girls in my hostel, making new friends, and having the experience of participating in all the clubs and activities. And
I will love to learn professional skills and other skills like.
Yeah, I want to know about leadership quality, so I thought it would be a better place to know skills. Yeah, so I thought.
So yeah, I need to learn basically about a business, and I have to pursue my career in business. So anything related to business and the marketing, all those things, like anything which is open to learn here, like I'm open to learn.
MBA means it should be an management skills. So I'm hoping to get an disciplinarity and all. So yeah, let's see. Like I'm so excited for joining MBA in a GIBS. So I believe that I'll get a good skills from here.
I'm hoping to learn financial modeling and valuation.
Okay, so what is your first impression on GIBS?
I just great. Wow, when I saw the campus. Yeah.
So, how's your first day at GIBS going?
It's really good and exciting.
Yeah, it's being good, but I'm a little bit of nervous, so it's okay.
It's pretty good. It's actually going good. Everyone are receiving and they are responding, and it is good.
I am full of cheers and energy. I'm totally overwhelmed.
Well, I just wanna have new friends and get exposure to all new kind of friends and the new subject.
I'm excited about the college life, the hostel life, all the experiences and all.
On the first day of GIBS, it was amazing. I saw a lot of people and spoke with a lot of staffs. They made me feel a lot comfortable than as I was expecting earlier.